This is starting at the pickup to measure 78. You are going to go in 3 groups. Hopefully the drill will work out. It'll make sense to do this from your left to right, because that's the way that the flag goes. But if not, it could work from right to left as well. Go in groups of 3, 3, 2. Everybody's going to do the same thing. You're flat here. You're going to do a low stir, and then change hands over to a right flat. And it's going to happen pretty quickly. You've got 3 counts to do that. The first group will start on 8, and you go 8, 1, 2. Then the second group is going to start on 2. So 1, go 2, 3, 4. The third group is going to start on 4, and it's going to go 4, 5, 6. And then the first 2 groups on 5, 6, 7, because you're here in time to do it, you're going to do a top stir, 5, 6, 7, like a little top cone, and you end up, your flag is on a 45 and you're pointing to the right 45. So that's 5, 6, 7. The third group is just going to add in on count 7, because you hit flat on count 6, just pop right up here to count 7. So everybody's here together on 7, hold 8. Then we're going to, this is going to go direction of travel. You're going to do a left jump turn. Whether you're going to the left or if you're going to the right, you can still do it. If you're going to the right, you would just step with your left foot. So just make sure that you step with your left foot. Like I said, jump turn, the flag is going to come flat, up, and down as you do that. So we'll count that 9, 10, 11, 12. So 9, 10, 11, 12. And then you're going to do a step with your right foot on 13, and then a hitch kick on 14, 15, 16. So 13, 14, 15, 16. And your flag comes up and down as you do the hitch kick as well. That's going to feel a little bit more like it's kind of scooping and pushing out away from you and back in. So that gets you through 16. And then I'm going to count the next as an 8, just because that's how I hear it in my head. Plus there's a spot in the music on the MP3 that I have where I'm going to have to rest because they cut some music out. And so the next 8 goes, after you do the hitch kick, so step, hitch kick, step, here. No, that has to happen on the, right there, on count 16. Come back to a slam angle because it'll make the next thing a little bit easier. And you need to be facing the front. So you could do the jump turn and the hitch kick direction of travel, but make sure that you're facing front by count 16. And then the next 8, you're going to keep it in your left hand, up and around. And you can use your right hand to help stop that so it catches against your forearm, against your elbow there. That's going to take the first 4 of that. Up, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to push out through a 45, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is a spot, depending on the drill, and if you're going to be holding the last little bit, and if you're in lines where we could do where you face front and face back. So just when you get the drill, if you can do half end up facing front and just end up here at 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the other half will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that then the next phrase you'll do the same phrase facing front and backwards.